Hello everyone, I am Samrat Jung Khatri and today we will be exploring the amazing wonders of science. The main objective for you for this video is to understand about temperature, the scales of temperature and its relationship, different types of thermometer and its working principle. So without any further delay, let's dive into this exciting journey of learning. So firstly, let's understand what is a temperature. A temperature can be simply defined as the degree of hotness or coolness in a body. Its SI unit is Kelvin. When we touch a hot body, we can simply understand that the body has hot temperature. When we touch a cold body, we can simply understand that the body has cold temperature. This is also called the sense of temperature. Additionally, we can measure temperature with the help of the device called thermometer. So this is the basic concept of temperature. So now we will be understanding the scales of temperature. There are three different types of scales of temperature. There are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Before that, let's know what is a scale of temperature. A reference scale with which temperature can be measured is called a scale of temperature. There are two fixed reference points of a temperature. There are upper fixed points and lower fixed points. The melting point of a ice is called lower fixed point and the boiling point of a water is called upper fixed point. So now let's learn the relationship between these scales. So there is an equation which shows the relationship between these three scales. So the equation is Celsius minus 0 divided by 100 is equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180 equals to Kelvin minus 273 divided by 100. So without this equation, we are not able to convert one temperature from one scale to another. So this is the short relationship between these three scales. So now we'll be learning about thermometer and its types. So firstly, let's know what is a thermometer. A thermometer is a device with which we are able to measure temperature. So now there are two different types of thermometer. There are clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. So firstly, we'll learn about laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is a type of thermometer with which we are able to measure temperature of liquids and other objects in the laboratory. It can measure temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It has alcohol as its thermometric liquid. And now let's understand the parts of the laboratory thermometer. So as you can see, this is the bulb of the thermometer and it has a red alcohol stored in it, and as you can see, this red line is known as capillary tube surrounded by glass tube, and these are the scales of the laboratory thermometer. And now let's measure the temperature of the water. So as you can see, the red line is marked on 25, which means the temperature of this water is 25 degrees Celsius. So now we'll be learning about digital thermometer. A digital thermometer is a type of thermometer in which we are able to measure the temperature of a body digitally, securely, easily and accurately. So now let's learn how does a digital thermometer works. So as you can see, the digital thermometer's laser beam is incident on patient's forehead, and then the thermometer reads the temperature of the body and then displays the results in this LED display. So now I will measure the temperature of my body. So as you can see, it shows 37.2 degree Celsius, which means it is a normal human body temperature. In a nutshell of today's video, we learned about temperature, the scales of temperature and its relationship, the different types of thermometer and its working principle. For more academic videos like this, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and share this to everyone you know. Till then, bye learners.